So Instagram just released another Instagram story update where you can add people to a group chat. Stay tuned to find out how to implement that. Okay, so Instagram has been throwing out updates left and right to add to their story, and this one is very crucial if you want to add more engagement with your followers. And you can now add a group chat option. I'm about to show you exactly how you do that, but you do it in a couple of steps, and I'm going to show you. So you're going to pull up your Instagram, you're going to upload Instagram story, and you're going to go in the stickers section, and you're actually then going to click on a special new button that says add to a group. And the important part of this is that you can basically ask a question or put a group title to get people to begin engaging. And then what they're going to do is once they click start group chat, they can either go with you or in a group and begin to interact. And that's also, for one, because they get to interact with you, know you're real, and know this isn't someone just, as the picture that they see and they like every day. They're showing that this is a real human interaction. And as a business owner, that is even huger because, that is way more huge because you are then actually able to interact with your audience. You're able to interact with your future customers and build that rapport, build that relationship. Also, an algorithm win is the more times that someone engages with your story, the more likely that they are going to be showed your story next time. And as you've already seen in some of my previous videos, I tell you how important adding stories daily or as much as possible is crucial to allowing Instagram to start showing your content more to your followers, which then creates more engagement, more purchases, more likes, and more whatever your call to action is for your Instagram. That's it. That's how you do it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want future content on any social media updates and how you can use them to your benefit. Have a blessed day.